I picked up this new tractor yesterday while my wife was gone. Old man had this, plowed with it for over 50 years. A Ford 600 series, 4-speed. It's a 640. Actually, he says it runs really well. He gave me a battery for it. Just needed a carburetor rebuild. So I'm gonna clean it up, put that new carburetor on there, and we'll see how she goes. I'll take another video of it when she's running. Ford 640. Problem is, I don't know where to put it to hide it from my wife. You know, she says I have too many of these tractors, but I don't think I have enough. So if I squeeze it in the back, she probably never notice.